Hey everyone, and welcome to Math Tips with Mrs. Townsend. Today I wanted to show you something that I found. These were on Amazon. They're called relational rod trays. We're going to look at these and use Cuisenaire rods to play a game. So I'm going to show you a game. Okay, so in the box there are 5 of the trays, and then there are 10 of these cards that go in it. So it's a 100 chart on one side and then blank grids on the other. So there's little tabs that you pop them into, and then it makes a 100 chart. Okay, so we're gonna use one of these for our game, and Cuisenaire rods, and one die. This is gonna be a 10-sided die that we're gonna use for this game, and this game is called Race to 100. For this game, the goal is going to be to get the 100 chart filled all the way completely to 100. You can play this with a partner and you can race to see who gets to 100 first, or you can just play yourself and see how quickly you can make it to 100. So what you're going to need for this game again is some type of 100 chart die, and then your Cuisenaire rods. So the Cuisenaire rods each represent a number increasing from 1 to 10. So what you do is you're going to roll the die. It's going to give you your number, okay? And then you will take the Cuisenaire rod that represents that number, so 5 is yellow, and you'll place it in your tray. And then you will roll again. 7. Now, for the 7, that's going to be the black one. There is not enough space here for the 7 to go into the tray. That's because there's only 5 spaces left to get to 10. So what you would have to do is take your 7 and then place however many spaces there are remaining, 5, line it up with it, and then see what would be remaining. So basically what you're doing is decomposing your 7 into 5 and then what else. And so they may take some time with them playing around with trying to figure out which one would fit, but they should find that 7 breaks down into 5 and 2. So they would use those pieces to continue filling in their chart. So then they would roll again. We have 9. So again, 9 is not going to fit because we only have 8 spaces remaining, and so they would take an 8 and then figure out what they would need to make 9. 8 and 1 makes the 9, and then they would use those pieces to fill in their chart. Then they roll again. We have 6. Okay, so they'll find the 6 rod, place it, roll again, and they would just continue doing this until they got all the way to 100. So again, this is a really great game, Race 100, where they can be decomposing those numbers and breaking them apart into parts that will fit in the chart. So as we know, an important part of early numeracy is working with numbers, and gameplay is one of the best ways to do that. So this game, Race 100, helps students break apart numbers, decomposing those numbers into parts, and that's really going to help them when it comes to building their number sense through the elementary years. So I hope this helps. If you play this game, let me know in the comments. Let me know how it goes. I will put the links to these different tools in the comments for you. And please share this video with friends and family. And I will see you next time on Math Tips with Miss Townsend.